You want to learn how to make $200,000 a year selling stickers on Etsy created by AI? Let me show you how. This Etsy store has been selling since 2020 and has already made over 200,000 sales. We can see by looking at their listing that the average price per sticker is $2.99. If we run the numbers, the total sales times the average price, which is $2.99, equals $600,000 in 3 years. Take that number and divide it by 3, which is how many years this Etsy seller has been selling for. You get well over $200,000 per year in total sales. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to give you 10 very descriptive ideas for cute, fun animals cartoon stickers for kids. Next, go to canva.com and then we're going to be using this AI to turn text to images. Paste whatever ChatGPT gives you here. Watch some magic happens. There you go. It comes up with images just like this. Go to printful.com, upload your designs, which you got from canva.com. Upload them, choose the size, and then connect your Etsy store and start selling. For an easier way where you can make 6 figures per year, follow for more and check out the link in my bio.